At the end of the experiment, you can save the session data directly from the environment. Move toward the floppy disk icon and press the F key or click the Save button. A message will appear indicating how many data blocks have been generated. Then, a pop-up window will appear with the message, "You're leaving Spatial." Click Yes, let's go, and a new browser window will open. In this window, you can download the CSV file for the current data block or access the full download page. If your session generated multiple data blocks, you will need to repeat this process for each one. Alternatively, when saving the final block, you can select the Download Page option and enter the session ID. This will allow you to download a single CSV file that contains all the data blocks combined. The file name will include the date and a set of random numbers that identify the session. Now let's take a look at what this data contains. The CSV file begins with the session ID in the first row. After that, it includes 5 columns that record the behavior over time. These columns represent elapsed time, cumulative responses, cumulative reinforcers delivered, cumulative reinforcers consumed, and the participant's position relative to the lever. This data is recorded continuously throughout the session, allowing you to analyze behavioral patterns in detail. Using this information, you can examine response rates and movement within the environment and evaluate how behavior changes under different reinforcement schedules.